Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an impressive home cleaning solution, the AIRROBO T30 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The AIRROBO T30 Plus is not just your ordinary robot vacuum, it's a self-emptying vacuum and mop that promises to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. With its intelligent design and advanced technology, this device is tailored for busy households, especially those with pets or high foot traffic. One of the standout features of the T30 Plus is its remarkable 75-day hands-free cleaning capability. Thanks to its automatic dustbin emptying system and a large 3.5-liter dust bag, you can say goodbye to frequent manual emptying. This means less hassle and more time for you to focus on what truly matters in your day-to-day life. Imagine having a cleaning assistant that takes care of itself for over 2 months. Now, let's talk about the cleaning power of this device. The AIRROBO T30 Plus boasts an impressive 12,000 pascal suction strength, which is excellent for tackling everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair. This ultra-strong suction ensures that dirt and debris are thoroughly removed from various surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and even those hard-to-reach crevices. Pet owners will be particularly pleased with the T30 Plus's Tangle-resistant rubber brush. This specially designed brush minimizes hair entanglement, allowing for a smoother cleaning experience. No more worrying about hair wrapping around the brush and impacting performance. This feature makes it easier to maintain the vacuum, saving you time and effort. Additionally, the T30 Plus is equipped with advanced ultrasonic sensors that enhance its cleaning capabilities. When it detects carpeted areas, it activates the carpet boost function, increasing its suction power for deeper cleaning. If you prefer to avoid carpets altogether, the carpet avoidance mode ensures that the robot detects the edges of carpets and steers clear, allowing for targeted cleaning of hard surfaces without any interruptions. Another impressive aspect of the AIRROBO T30 Plus is its active intelligent obstacle avoidance technology. Utilizing advanced linear laser sensors, this robot can accurately detect objects in its path. Even in cluttered spaces, it navigates skillfully around obstacles, adjusting its route intelligently to prevent collisions. This results in a more efficient cleaning experience without the frustration of stuck vacuums. LiDAR navigation and smart mapping further enhance the T30 Plus's functionality. This advanced system quickly creates accurate maps of your home, allowing for efficient cleaning routes. It can even support multi-floor mapping, making it seamless to transition between different levels of your home. Whether you have a multi-story house or a single level, the T30 Plus adapts to your space effortlessly. So, who is the AIRROBO T30 Plus suitable for? If you have a busy lifestyle, pets, or simply want to maintain a cleaner home with minimal effort, this robot vacuum and mop is an excellent choice. It's perfect for individuals or families who value convenience and want to reduce the time spent on cleaning chores. In practical use, you can set the T30 Plus to clean while you're at work or running errands, returning home to a clean space without lifting a finger. For pet owners, it will efficiently pick up hair and dander, keeping your floors spotless. And with its self-emptying feature, you can enjoy a truly hands-free experience. In conclusion, the AIRROBO T30 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop offers an impressive combination of convenience, power, and intelligent technology. It's designed to simplify your cleaning routine, making it an ideal addition to any home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.